We'll guide you through how to fix Google Maps not working on Android. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. There are different types of problems you may be facing with Google Maps, but the methods in this video are going to cover a wide range of them and will hopefully fix them. So to get started, come out of Maps like so. What you need to do is go and swipe up and come to your settings. In settings, you need to go and scroll down and find the option for apps. In here, you need to go and find the option for maps. This is alphabetical, so we can scroll down and go and find it. Now, what you want to do is go and scroll down and find the option for storage. You can come to the bottom right and press clear cache. We can then go and press clear data and confirm our decision. That will just go and refresh things. We can then press back. What you want to do is come up here and find the option for permissions. And you want to make sure we go and give it the permissions it's going to go and need. Personally, I would just go and give it all of these here. So I'll start with camera and go through the list. After you've done that, we can then come and return to maps and we can go and see if the problem is solved. If it is, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.